Hey guys, what's up? I'm Nina Zeta with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I want to talk about Instagram Reels hashtags. I think there's a lot of questions as to hashtags, like do we need them on our Reels strategy? Should we be incorporating them? Should we not? And that's what today's video is going to discuss and talk about, whether you are a content creator, Instagrammer, small business brand, whatever. I'm hoping that anyone that is sitting here watching today can get some values, because as you guys know, Reels are super important to any business or anyone that's participating on social media. Instagram Reels are really like the key to growth right now, right? And let's discuss also why is that. So as most of you already know, Instagram Reels help you get access to a different audience. So literally the way the algorithm works is that it puts your content in front of people who do not follow you. But here's the thing, that's what hashtags did as well for static posts. And what I mean by static posts, I mean the posts that are on your feed on Instagram. So a lot of times people that were trying to get new audiences were rushing and using hashtags on all their photos or all the videos that they're putting on their feed, hoping to use those hashtags as a way to grow their audience and find new people. But with the Reels algorithm that does this already, are hashtags going to help and boost you so that you get even more visibility? That's what I want to go ahead and discuss in today's video. Now, before I jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified on all future videos on all things social media strategy and influencer marketing. So I think in anything that you guys ever do on social, it's all about testing, right? So of course, test a reel that has hashtags and see its views versus a reel that does not have hashtags. You should always be testing using your platform as a way to test your content to see what works and what doesn't, because this is going to give you the best results for yourself. So the next time you post a reel, post one with hashtags and then post one without hashtags and compare the views and say to yourself, is there a difference? This is always going to help you get better results. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and share my screen and show you guys an example. So I'm pulling up my Instagram account right now. I'm gonna go ahead and look up the hashtag vegan recipes. If you look right here on the left-hand side, you're gonna see that one of the biggest pieces of Instagram real estate is going to Reels. I know it's a reel because I see the little Reels icon there. So people follow recipes, guys. Follow hashtags and they follow recipes. So as you can see, this little follow button would allow me to follow the vegan recipes hashtag and get to see content of people who are using this hashtag. So arguably, if you are creating a reel and using this hashtag, it's just going to help you with discoverability, especially from people following that hashtag. Now let's go ahead and click this reel, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the more button, read through the instructions that she's saying. Great. Okay, I'm looking at all the hashtags. Boom, there we have it, vegan recipes. So this creator tagged vegan recipes. I was able to find her through a hashtag. Now let's just see, I go to her account, easy to follow recipes, Vietnamese and Asian. And again, this may be a perfect account for me to follow if I'm already searching vegan recipes. And she showed up right here in the search box on the top left-hand corner, prime real estate. So again, just wanted to show you guys how Reels got that first visibility up there. You're also gonna start seeing obviously carousel posts and videos. And by engaging in this video, guys, Instagram is going to know that I am liking this type of content and will probably serve me more. Okay, cool. So that's an example I wanted to share with you guys there. And this is important to show you that the hashtag is obviously necessary in that example. Another important thing to note when it comes to Reels and hashtag is that if, let's just say you do get a position on that explore page by using a specific hashtag, you're gonna get reach after the initial days of posting it. So it actually helps with the shelf life of the reel. Like you're actually gonna be able to be up there for a little bit longer. So in terms of like what type of hashtags should you be using for your reels? Here's the thing, and I have to like get you guys thinking like this because this is gonna really help you. When it comes to Instagram Reels, the hashtags that you're gonna want to use are hashtags that people are searching. So in the example I just said, I put, vegan recipes. I didn't put like NYC chef. So you may be wondering, Nina, what type of hashtag should I even use on my Reels? The way I would think about it is use hashtags that people are actually searching that is going to add value to them, okay? So in that vegan recipe example, I was searching vegan recipes because maybe I was in the need of a vegan recipe. I wanted to cook tonight and I wanted to like use that. I'm not vegan, by the way, but I just used it for an example's case. So in this case, whatever content you are creating, please, please, please use hashtags that are search-based hashtags, which is to say, don't just use like trending hashtags or popular hashtags, you know, Instagram content creator. Don't put that. That doesn't make sense. Put content or put hashtags, excuse me, that people are searching so that you get discovered for this type of hashtag. So people often ask me, Nina, where should I put the real hashtag? Should I put it in the caption or should I put it in the comments? I think the way that we often tell our creators that we work with in our community is that if it's within the caption, don't worry about like aesthetic, because think about it. Where do people find your content for Reels? They're finding it on the Reels page or on the hashtag page, right? And when people are watching your content, like the caption, the way that it looks is like, yes, people are reading Reels captions, but I wouldn't stress about it ruining your aesthetic or looking weird, which is to say, I would obviously suggest putting your hashtags in your caption. But again, if you want to try and test them in your comments as well to see if that makes any effects or changes, you should totally do so. Now, before I wrap up and give you guys another major tip when it comes to Reels hashtag, I did just want to let you guys know that I have an Instagram Reels bootcamp that just launched. It is amazing. It's going to walk you through the technical side of Reels, like literally how to create them. All those transitions, all those slideshows, we give you guys over 6 different types of Reels to create, like on how to, and we're giving you tons of Reel examples so that you never feel stuck on what type of Reel to create ever again. So I'm gonna include that link below. You guys definitely gonna wanna check it out. Now, the last thing I wanted to wrap up with is oftentimes people ask me, Nina, what's the search volume for Instagram Reels that I should be using for my hashtags on my Reels? So with static posts, people were doing a variety of different ways to use hashtags. They were using hashtags with high search, low search, and mid-volume search, so that way they kind of hit all the different areas. I think when it comes to Reels, because Reels algorithm is different than the post algorithm, you don't have to be as worried that you're using like major hashtags that have millions of search in them. I do think that any hashtag strategy is most effective when you find a sweet spot. So let's just say in the 100,000s versus millions, because the probability of someone like seeing your content and again following you is a lot more probable if it's using a hashtag that isn't highly searched or highly competitive. But that isn't to say that you can't use some of those competitive hashtags in the million searches as a way to boost your visibility on your Reels. So anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you with your Instagram Reels hashtag questions. If you guys have any questions or comments or thoughts, let me know in the comments. I always read them, and definitely check out our bootcamp. Again, you're going to love it. See you guys in the next video.